I'd just like to ask, is this the first time that Alice Reyes production is held in Maybank Performing Arts Center?
No, we've done it before. As Alice Reyes. Oh, this is the first time as Alice Reyes. Sorry. We look forward to doing that. But we dance songs. So we know that that can be saved.
And in terms of adjusting the stage, or what would you say is why you chose Maybank Theater as your venue for this event?
When the CCP closed, all the artistic companies lost a venue. The CCP gave venue grants. Those are very difficult for money. And we found that by putting a lot of funds into venue payments, we lost money. The Maybank offered us a sweeter deal than we were getting with us. That's why we're coming. But we would like to perform all the other venues if we can get a venue grant. So we are knocking on all those doors. And if the door opens, we will go. Yes, but it is also a challenge to our artists. I mean, for them to dance this band piece for a 15-foot stage, we have 17, right? So you can imagine. I'm so proud of them.
Could you also tell us who are the newbies for this production? And what can you say about them?
The
Newbies new generations.
Newbies.
As far as choreographers are concerned, we are very proud of the fact that we have an incredible array of choreographers. Ern, are you here? He did a romantic children's and went on me one to music by Logos. So yeah, our dancers got a chance to act, sing, and dance, and really play. And really play because you have the monkey, you have the buwaya. We all had fun with this, and we're hoping to do with this from also universities, colleges, high schools. And then you all know that we have SAYAW ALAY, which is something I'm really very proud of, because it traces our history from the indigenous tribes to the Muslim, to the Spanish, to the Americans, and to today. And it's done by dance, with dance and narration and wonderful songs, often by the young and other really wonderful people. And then we have Burson as well. So we've been doing these new creations, no? So this gives us an opportunity to show our repertoire of the older pieces. That's why this is very meaningful to us. We're very happy to open entrance 2027 with this repertoire mixed program.